welcome back to my vlog. It's me again, Karina, and I'm in Melbourne on a student visa. So I'm watching Simply Ray's vlog. And today, guys, is Monday, March 7, and it's currently 1:40 p.m. and kakatapos ko lang mag-lunch. My body's so sore, guys. Masakit yung katawan ko, masakit yung kamay ko. Hindi ko feel mag-work ngayon. May work ako 3 p.m. to 11. And tomorrow, guys, is I have class kasi tomorrow is Tuesday. So, yeah.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
This is my dinner, guys. Lain na sa tanaan kay nagkaon na. Wala na ako na videohan ganin lang na special tanaan. So this is rice, shredded beef, pico de gallo or tomato, and chips. Yeah, I asked for extra rice. Yeah, I asked for extra rice, guys. And when I asked for extra rice, and yung ka-workmate ko sabi niya, classic Pinoy. Yeah. Kasi, konti lang kasi yung sinaserve nila na rice dito, and then, yeah. Yeah. Guys, good morning. I have my coffee and I'm going to school na. Hi classmates. Hi classmates. Nag-move na mo?
Wala pa.
Uy, yung mga tao ba sa dalan? Wala na sila ng gimas ba? Mga tao. Ko sa ubang ko. Ano ito ba ito? Ah, KitKat, dos. Insert coins. KitKat. B8. B8. Saan ba yun? Oh, wait. Yeah. Yeah. KFC? Kain tayo sa KFC?
Yeah.
Bakit?
I don't know.
Bread rolls, ladies and gents. They're about double in size now. Okay, I'm going to chuck them in an oven. Maybe, I can't remember what temperature, 180 to 200. 200 degrees. 200. Okay. I'm going to start them off at 180. Okay. I'm going to turn it up to 200
For how many?
until they're cooked. About 20 minutes, 15, 20 minutes. They don't take too long. It depends on how you've done your, how thick they are, how much they've proved. Right, how much blood looks on this fish. So this dish is fish pepperoni. Pepperoni. One back. If it was a fresh fish, it would be slipperier, and I would get a paper towel to hold the tail. Can we use that?
Yeah.
Reusable trimmings. Beautiful. What could we do with that?
Thank you.
Here we are in the practical kitchen. So what are you doing? You tell me what you're doing. No? Bit shy, doesn't want to talk. Okay, this is Paulie. Paulie, here you go, mate.
Hi vlog, welcome to my guys.
Mano Buklakia. Alright, he doesn't want to talk either, a bit shy. What about yourself? No talking. Okay, so we're working on our workflow plans. What are you working on? Oh, working on covering herself up. Okay. Nothing. What are you working on?
Hi guys, what's up to my vlog?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. Isn't all you got to say is yeah.
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 He's trying to do the test. So let's annoy the shit out of him.
Baho mo na eh.
Tickle him. Okay. I'm going to give you back.
Thank you, Chef.
No one wants to talk. Get viral.
Una ka! Wow, ako yung nagba-vlog, tapos ako yung hindi...
Sige, ako mag-vlog. Ano ka ba? God will talk ako.
Single. Go. Standard. Ayaw, less ice.
Why?
kay daghano na nila ang ice niya. Ice sa imong kaon.
Makaon. Soy milk.
Ayaw na na, oy.
Extra.
Check out. Ano? Sa bahay na. Hindi ko alam. Hindi ako nasa Starbucks.
Wala nag-Starbucks ka sa vlog mo.
O hindi.
Uy, parehas na magun may.
Ayaw mo pagkabila-bila sa atin. Dito talaga? Madali lang. TikTok pa siya.
Sorry palang bago sa'yo to.
Magaganyan ako papuntang school. Hindi pastry.
Marunong siya kasi alam niya na yung
Mga basic lang.
Oo.
Back launch destination as soon as possible.
Hi guys, I'm home. So tomorrow is Wednesday and practical na naman. So I'm going to prepare my uniform for tomorrow before I go to sleep. Na naman.
Kung gusto ka, dito pagid ka sa Kuwante, United Kingdom, kay Kuwan Pound.
United Kingdom. Say hi to my vlog. Hi to my vlog.
We're eating.
Say hi.
Hi, welcome to Karina's vlog. Please like and subscribe.
Si Daddy.
Hello, everybody. Welcome to Karina's vlog.
Ano yung gana yung istoryahan?
Because I am in Australia. I am in Australia and I would like to speak Australian. How are you? Welcome to Karina's vlog.
Tingnan, please like and subscribe.
How are you, ate?
Ano ako man? Ang kuan. Viewers. Hi guys.
Subscribers of Karina's.
Hey guys, thank you for the likes and subscribe of Karina's vlog.
Yes, yes. Hello, guys.
Sige naman mo. Hello
I'm
guys.
the father and the mother.
The father and the apat si Mami pagkat katawa ba? Mami is laughing. Smile.
Mommy is this is the mommy that is very beautiful.
Hindi kayo, yan naman ang ibig.
No, do not cut this portion.
Yan mo ko naiiyapin sa vlog.
Apil mo na ako sa vlog.
Yes, thank you.
Si Snowy. Hi, Snowy. Up. Ipa-up siya, me. Hi, Snowy. Ay.
Snowy.
Si Makoy. Tawag ka si Makoy. Ato'y si Makoy.
I-edit ra niya. Ay, pag-edit ra niya. Hi, Koy. This is Ate Karina's vlog.
Hi,
Say
Koy.
to everyone.
Say hi to my vlog, Koy.
Hi.
Koy,
Say hi.
look at my vlog, Koy. Hi.
Please like and subscribe.
You tell them please like and subscribe.
Ikaw din. Please like and subscribe.
My brother is playing Mobile Legends. Yeah, you're playing Mobile Legends na? Or Roblox? What is that? Oh, it's Roblox? COD? Uy, naka-pimples. What? Minecraft. May pimples ka sa nose. Why? Hi, Koy.
Ayun na, ate.
Why?
Apil mo yun, ate.
Yapil ako na. Wala ka. Apil na ako. That's my brother, Kristen Marco. Tingnan, taas na kayo to.
Gabi kahapon pa yung bibig.
Ang sisipag talaga ng mga friends ko. Oy, bakit magmamask ka? Bakit?
Oo, ma'am. Kunin mo na po ka ng card. Kaya.
Sige, asta.
Ano yung tawag sa sabi mo? Sa chicken na natin?
Following?
Following?
Yeah.
For this one, yeah? Yung chicken na yan?
There's no open building until
Mom and Dad. Perfect. Kaya na ba may bigyan? Dali rin gaya kay Mahmoud ba?
Yung sa akin lang. Kanino yan vlog? Kay Joyce or kay Karina? Wala naman ito. Those speakers are boring. Ako yung mag-a-adjust.
May bayad yan. Ikaw yung mag-a-adjust kasi ikaw yung ano namin. Ang tawag, videographer. Hi everyone! Balik na kami. Ay, balik na kami. Pauwi na kami. Sobrang nakakapagod ngayon. Agad na yung mga fest namin. And ano pa kami, nakaboot. Ganun, wala ka nagkilis. Oo, di ba nagdala ka? Copy kayo. 8 minutes pa pala. Sinabi ni? Puno sila gawas tayo. Stoy. Asa ka?
God, ang bigat-bigat ng dala ko. Yan yung sasakyan ko na bus. Oh my God, ang bigat ng dala ko. Haggard is real. Thank you. Hi guys! Lapit na ako sa bahay. And I'll close this vlog na. Kasi hindi na ako mag-vlog bukas or sunod na araw. Kasi wala namang ganap. And paulit-ulit lang yung gagawin ko. So work, yung sa bahay, work, ganyan. So, thank you for watching guys. I hope you enjoy this vlog. I hope you like it. And don't forget to... Oh, yung buhok ko. Don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. And I hope to see you guys all soon. Bye! Hi guys! Pahabol muna sa vlog. I-share ko sa inyo na na-BH ko na naman yung pagkain na niluto namin kanina. Ito. Yung chicken. Chicken breast. And then, yung fish. Steamed fish. Fish fillet. And then, yung best part, guys. Yung best part is yung steak. And yung pinaka best part is... Alam niyo ba kung ano? Rice. Yeah. Nakikita niyo ba yan, guys? Nakikita niyo ba yan? Oh my God, I'm so excited! Oh my God, guys! This is it. And don't forget your iced coffee. Alam ko, guys. Alam ko kung ano yung iniisip niyo ngayon. Same setting ng opening ng vlog ko. Ito yung sinuot ko. Tapos, dito ako nakaupo. Tapos, kumakain din ako. And, with my iced coffee. So, yeah. Bahala kayo. Bahala kayo. Basta ako. Hi. Nakapag-rest na din ako, guys. Sobrang nakakapagod. Tomorrow, guys, 10 a.m. pa yung work ko. So, I have the whole night to rest. To rest ba? No. I don't think so. Kasi may workflow plan ako na dapat isa-submit. And then, yung laundry ko. Nag-laundry ako ngayon. And then, I will also edit this vlog para ma-upload ko this weekend. Hopefully this weekend or tomorrow. Hopefully, if I can finish it. Today is, ano guys? Ano bang araw ngayon? Wait lang. Today is March 9, Wednesday. So yeah, hopefully tomorrow ko ma-upload or tonight. And yeah. Basta. wala nang daming chikahan. Kakain na ako, guys. Alam ko na I murdered the steak. Actually, guys, it is my first time eating steak. First time ko din magluto ng steak. Hindi ko alam kung paano siya lulutuin. Hindi ko siya alam paano kakainin, anong dapat or what. I don't know how. But I'm excited to eat. Kasi gutom na ako. It's already, ano bang oras? 6? 5. 5:55, 57, 56 yeah, PM. So, kakain na ako, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel if you haven't yet. And please click the notification bell icon under the, I don't know where, para ma-notify kayo if ever meron akong bagong vlog, bagong video. So, thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Bye!